I think the Impact 360 experience has been something that's shaped the way I think, because the academics have not taught me what I should be thinking. They've taught me how to figure out what I should be thinking. They haven't said, here's the truth, let me present you with it necessarily. They've said, here's how you find the truth, which has started a journey for me so that I can continue on and seek to find the truth myself, because I have these thinking tools that I now know how to pursue what is good and what is true.
The Gospel of John comes under a lot of criticism.
I came into Impact super shy, very fearful of even entering into that academic environment because I just wasn't used to it. I wasn't used to debating and discussion in class. I never had that in high school. And so coming through the academics program, it has given me the tools and the skills in whatever topic it is, because we discuss so many different topics throughout the year.
The module that we have that I liked the most was for sure the ones about ethics, and especially bioethics. So we had a week that we discussed topics like euthanasia, abortion, two things that I'm really passionate about, and I really want to learn how to stand with what I know and what I believe in society that usually has the ideas against mine.
Not only was I able to interact with my classmates on these things, I was able to get better ideas on how other people perceive things and be able to work through that with them.
We talk a lot about what it means to steward the truth, and part of that is just the raw seeking after it and recognizing that I don't know everything and being willing to hear other points of view, if that makes sense.
Impact has prepared me to build the kingdom in college, because I now have not only a reason for what I believe, but also a deeper understanding of what I believe.
They've helped me interact with the material and engage with it actively, because before I'd take a test and move on. What we learn here can be taken wherever we go. What I've learned at Impact 360 Fellows is going to impact me for the rest of my life.